We're looking there.
The North Portal Bridge with the channel 22 Alpha 157 megahertz. United States Coast Guard Sector New York, United States Coast Guard Sector New York, United States Coast Guard Sector New York 3. Construction work on the Amtrak Portal Bridge is scheduled to take place during this time. Safety zone will be enforced and heavy lift operations are in progress. Vessels may not enter. United States Coast Guard Sector New York, United States Coast Guard Sector New York, great. Coast Guard Marine Information Broadcast concerning cabling operations in the Hudson River. This is channel 22 Alpha, frequency 157, decimal 1 megahertz. Out. Security station, all stations, all stations. United States Coast Guard Sector New York, United States Coast Guard Sector New York, great. Mariners are advised that vessel operations on the Hudson River related to the Champlain Hudson Power Express cable lay will commence at Seminton, New York, beginning on the 10th of December from 6 in the morning until 1800 and 11th of December from 6 in the morning until 1800. Work will require vessels and equipment to partially obstruct the channel. During these operations, work vessels may be able to move to allow passage through coordination and the motor vessel area. Beginning on the 12th of December from 6 in the morning until 1800, vessel operations will obstruct the channel. During this operation, vessel traffic will not be able to pass. Any questions, mariners can... once we pass the cycle,
I'm back.
take it easy.
Monitor, thank you for calling.
Jordan Road, southbound Ferry Mark. Yeah, the Jordan Road. Okay, cap. Keep her on. I'll take your turn.
And equipment to partially obstruct the channel. During these operations, work vessels may be able to move to allow passage through coordination and their motor vessel again. Beginning on the 12th of December from 6 in the morning until 1800, vessel operations will obstruct the channel. During this operation, vessel traffic will not be able to pass. Any questions, mariners can contact ATS New York. Coast Guard from New York, out.
That can, they're escorting 2 passengers with them.
Thanks for that.
But I think the bigger one here is protecting public safety. A couple of times back home, I had the chance to see some drones flying over my house, looking in my backyard. Frustrating, angry, didn't have any kinetic weapons with me, so they came and went. But on a serious note, I'm home to Disneyland. Worldwide, it's still viewed as an American private enterprise symbol. I've got the Anaheim Ducks Arena, OC Vibe that's being built right now, the Anaheim Ducks, SoFi Stadium nearby, World Soccer Cup coming to our area very soon, Olympics coming soon. So target-rich environment, so to speak. And what you're saying, Mr. Rigman, specifically, you said that federal government does not have the bandwidth to really protect all of these sites, yet we're still not at a point where we can share the authority information with state, local, federal authorities. And I hope we don't have to wait for a federal law to be passed to get there. My local sheriff in Orange County has a fusion center. Fusion centers exist across the nation where federal, state, local, FBI, every agency collaborate, share information,